So today I'm going to be building a quick little jig made out of scrap wood and just extra screws and stuff that I had laying around. One thing I had to buy was these little clamps, help hold down the pieces. I'm going to be building a picture frame jig. Quick, easy scrap wood build to put together this frame that I build for my customers. I have, any state sign or any state picture that you want. So, quick little jig to make put these frame pieces together a lot easier. So yeah, and these little clamp downs were $12 on Amazon for a 4-pack. So trying to keep the cost down. I mean, I have screws that are too long, so I'm using washers just to get the right length. Not trying to spend a lot of money on this, just trying to make production a lot faster. So stay tuned. So first I started with taking a couple scrap pieces of plywood I had, finding a square edge, ripping it down on a table saw to 18.5 by 18.5, and I have 4 1 inches by 3/4 inch pieces, 2 at 20 inches, 2 at 18.5. So I'll set up my pieces just like this. And then have these little hold downs or just clamp down and hold them in while I glue and nail all these real quick so I can take frames in and out, pump them out real quick. So I'm going to start with screwing this down to the bottom board. Like I said, I have washers just to get the right length. Don't want to go all the way through. So I'm going to screw down 4 screws just to hold that piece down to the bottom piece. And I found out the best length is 3 little washers per screw. Good, I didn't go through. Just had to make sure. Alright, now that that is screwed down, I'll take my 2 20-inch pieces, place them here, just keeping them loose for now. Just like that. Now I have 6 pieces ripped down to 1.25 inches. Just found that was the best length with the scrap wood that I had. I'll be placing them here, here, actually a little bit further down, so I catch both pieces but still be able to get my nail gun in there. So another piece here, here, and here. And I'll take 2 and just place them there. So I'm going to pre-drill these just because they are small pieces and I don't want them splitting. Doesn't have to be perfect, just Now that's over with. Place my pieces so they're nice and tight. Pushing against here just so I know all of my joints are tight. Might have made it a little too tight. I'm just going to back these up. Might have to drill new holes. That kind of sucks. Yeah. Definitely made it a little too tight. This side feels good. That side's a little tight. So is this side. So, guess they didn't need to be as tight as I thought. Shift it over a little bit so I don't go back in the same holes. Yeah, that looks a little better. go back in our same holes. Better. Good. Alright. That's a lot better. Alright. So now that that's done, we can start putting these clamp downs gotta put these together. You know, when you go cheap, sometimes you gotta assemble them. They don't come pre-assembled, so. Not like it's hard, but. This is just the adjustment screw. So you can adjust how high you want it. I'll get them all put together and then we'll adjust them once we screw them down. Alright, so I got all these assembled, ready to get screwed down. Thinking about putting one in the middle. They say that they have these $12 clamps, say that they have 200 pounds of downforce, so I think that one on each piece should be fine. Ordered another pack because I didn't really know if I wanted to put one here and one here, but I think with these aligning everything, I think just one clamp right in the middle should hold. Yeah, so let's start screwing these down. When you're screwing these down, you can slide these back and forth. So I say as long as you get it somewhere close, preferably in the middle, that you'll be able to adjust it. So they don't have to be perfect is what I'm saying. There we go. That are all done. Well, let's get some. Yep. So now all I need to do is just glue these joints together. hit it with the nail gun a couple times, and I'll make frames real quick. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Got a jig all done. Took all of, I don't know, half an hour or so. If you guys are interested in having any signs built or any custom wall art, you would say, just let me know. Yeah, pretty easy task. Anyone can really do it with simple tools and scrap wood. I'll put a link to the clamps, the Amazon clamps, in the description right down below here, and please like, subscribe, and follow me along and slowly build my business up. So, thanks for all the support, guys.